Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Lugger.gg discount codes. So it is very easy to do. So follow what I'm doing. So first thing you need to do is open up any browser and then open google.com. From here, simply search Lugger.gg discount code. From here, simply open this second website called vtrap.com. Once you do that, it will show you many Lugger GG discount codes which you can use and get rewarded for free. So for first coupon code, discount code, you will get 55% off, and then second code will give you 15% off on store wide. So what you need to do is simply click on this copy code button and then go to your Lugger.gg and use this code. So that's how you can get discount code or promo code for Lugger.gg. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.